August 2019.
So what kind of words of hope can you give the people of Kashmir? Because this is a very bleak picture right now.
It's, circumstances always change. I am a firm believer that, you just keep pressure. People of Kashmir have patience. They have given tremendous sacrifices. Almost, 100,000 Kashmiris have been martyred in the last 30 years or just about 40, or around about 40 years. But, they're resolute. They're not giving up. And this will, sooner or later, the Indian government will have to restore their rights. At the moment, the people of Kashmir are just deprived of all rights. And what the Indian government hopes to do is to alter the balance, the demography of Kashmir by settling in non-Muslims into non-Kashmiris and Muslims into Kashmir. And what they hope is that eventually the balance will be changed, and when they have elections or plebiscite, there will be more non-Muslims who will then vote for India. So this is the game plan for India, but it's not working because the people of Kashmir have not given up. And I think the settlers find it very difficult to move into Kashmir in a hostile environment. And I really believe, I am a firm believer that Kashmiris will get their independence, their right of self-determination.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Our next question is about Pakistan's nuclear policy, and it would be asked by Dr. Nizar Krekish.